Nissan is taking a creative approach to certified pre-owned (CPO) vehicles with its Cube Retro Renovation program in partnership with Nara Nissan Motor Company in Japan. This innovative initiative aims to enhance the visual appeal of certified pre-owned Nissan Cubes by giving them a personalized makeover. While certified pre-owned cars offer reliability and cost savings, Nissan acknowledges that some may show signs of wear and tear. Instead of considering this a drawback, the automaker sees it as an opportunity for a unique CPO product. The Cube Retro Renovation program involves customizing certified pre-owned Nissan Cubes, replacing worn parts with new ones to provide a refreshed and personalized appearance. The Nissan Cube, renowned for its distinctive tall and boxy design, was a popular subcompact in Japan from 1998 to 2019. Introduced to North American markets in 2009, the Cube faced discontinuation in 2014 due to sluggish sales. The Cube Retro Renovation program originated from a concept presented at the Tokyo Auto Salon, garnering strong consumer feedback and prompting Nissan to give it a try. To test the market response, Nissan plans to release a limited run of 20 examples for sale starting January 22. One notable consideration for potential buyers is the cost of the program. Nissan provides an estimate on its sales page, breaking down the potential Cube Retro Renovation package cost. The figures indicate a substantial addition to the vehicle's price, with a total reaching nearly 1.7 million yen, $11,475, including other fees. While this may seem high, Nissan emphasizes the option to work with customers, allowing them to choose modifications within their budget. Customers opting for the Cube Retro Renovation program will receive a vehicle with a custom exterior and interior, providing a unique personality. Nissan aims to collaborate with customers in selecting modifications that breathe new life into the vehicle while aligning with their budget constraints. While this service may not appeal to everyone, it presents a fascinating way to make certified pre-owned cars more enticing and extend their freshness. Would you consider a certified pre-owned vehicle that has undergone such modifications? Share your thoughts in the comments below.